What is going on, guys? It's Justin from the J Media back with another video. So today we'll be bringing another tech review video for you guys, and I recently just purchased a new phone that's been recently released on the market at the time of this filming. So behind me, what I have here is my brand new phone, my Google Pixel 8 Pro. And yeah, just wanted to do a little unboxing video for you guys, show you guys what's inside the box. This is my fourth Pixel phone. Huge Google Pixel fan. I started with the Pixel 2, then move on to the Pixel 4, and then right now I'm currently using the Pixel 6 Pro, and this is the Pixel 8 Pro, which just came out about a month ago at the time of filming this video. So yeah, pretty excited. Let's go ahead and unbox it and check out what's inside. Okay, so here is the Google Pixel 8 Pro's box. Very simple, Google logo, Pixel 8 Pro. On the side, Pixel 8 Pro, Google, and then another Google logo. On the very back says Team Pixel. So the exact specifications I got for this one, there are a few color choices. I went with the black as always. I know it might seem boring, but I like the black. They also do have the Pixel 8 versus the Pixel 8 Pro. I got the 8 Pro, which is a slightly bigger size, bigger screen, better specifications. We also do have 3 different sizes you can get it in. You can get the 128 gigabyte to 256 as well as the 512 gigabyte. I went with the one right in between, 256. I currently have the 6 Pro, Pixel 6 Pro, and this is in 512, but I've never actually used that much of storage. Okay, and here in my hand, this is my Google 6 Pro, 512 gigabyte. I love this phone, and phone works really well, but since the 8 Pro came out, I do like to switch out my phone every 2 years or so. So yeah, this is the one I currently have. Absolutely love this phone, like I said. Great phone, works great, it's fast, take great photos. A lot of people like the Pixel phone for the camera. So yeah, I'm pretty excited to see each Pixel I upgrade to, I can see a difference in camera. So really excited to see what the Pixel 8 Pro does. Okay, so to unbox it, we're going to flip it to the back. 2 little taps on each side. Arrow pointing down and up. So I'm guessing you're going to just pretty much peel it like so. Okay, one side, same thing for the other side. This is the very first time that I'll be unboxing it and checking out my Google Pixel 8 Pro in person. So let's go ahead and unbox it. Okay, ooh, so here's the phone. Very, very nice. So, before I show you guys the phone, as always, you have your little instruction manual, probably like your setup guide. Comes with your charging cable, USB-C charging cable to your USB adapter, the actual USB-C cable here itself. So pretty standard since I believe the earlier generation Pixels. Here's the actual phone itself. Well, they have this just to protect it. USB-C on the bottom, that's where you charge it. Your start, your volume controls your touchpad. So before I actually go ahead and take a closer look at it, and I got this in the Obsidian Black, your G Google logo right in the middle. It's kind of like a nice matte finish to it. Right here on the camera on the top, slightly reflective. It's almost like a black chrome. So if you look over here, this looks like the flash on the top. Bottom might be a camera, another camera, 3 cameras here. So there's just a lot going on. Let's compare it to the Pixel 6 Pro that I currently have right now. Also got the black color. You can see it's a little bit different in terms of texture. This one's a little more reflective. Pixel 8 Pro is a little more matte finish. Okay, so in terms of size comparison, the Pixel 6 Pro and Pixel 8 Pro pretty much identical in size, as you guys can see side by side. In terms of design, they still have this strip on the top for the camera, but the camera layout is a little bit different. You can see right here is slightly rounded versus right here is just one strip, one bar. You can see the individual cameras on the 6 Pro. So they did kind of refine the design a little bit. But yeah, all in all, I know there's a lot of fun colors you can get for the new Google Pixel 8 Pro. I decided to stick to something more simple, you know, like the black. I believe you can get other colors like a light blue and I think kind of like an orangey pinkish color. So quite a few fun options, but you know, can't go wrong with black. And I constantly get asked, why not switch to getting an iPhone? So fun fact, I've never owned an iPhone. My entire family, as well as my wife and her entire family, owns iPhones. I've always been an Android guy. You know, over the years I had stuff anywhere from Samsung, LG, switched to quite a few different brands. But once the Google Pixel came out, I've always been a huge Google fan, Google products fan. So yeah, just like how some people are hardcore Apple lovers, you know, I love the Google products. I think they work great. I also enjoy how the Google Pixel takes amazing photos and videos. I know that the iPhone has, you know, definitely got a lot better over the years, but I still feel like when it comes to taking great photos and videos using a cell phone, I personally think Google Pixel has it down. They take the best photos and videos in terms of quality. So yeah, they definitely stepped it up. In terms of zoom, I believe the Pixel 8 Pro zooms up to 30 times. Still can get pretty clear photos. I actually tested it out at the store. And then if you want something that's clear zoom in photo, you can zoom up to 5 times. If you're comparing that over to the iPhone 15 Pro Max, which is the latest model, both released around the same time. I want to say the iPhone 15 Pro Max zooms up to 2 times clear and up to 20 times. So you can tell the Pixel 8 Pro is definitely a lot, I guess you can say, accurate in terms of how, you know, how much you can zoom in and how crisp the photos are. In night mode, you know, the Google Pixel takes amazing photos and videos as well. Even from my older Pixels, they have been amazing. So yeah, really excited to see what this phone, you know, over time of using it, what, you know, features I'll slowly unlock. Alright, so right now let's go ahead and pick up the Google 8 Pro. Take off the little film right here and power it up for the very first time. It's a very nice, beautiful display. I know in some of the other generations of Pixels, right here on the edges, it's not really rounded, so the Pixel 8 Pro is a little bit rounded. More refined in styling. On the sides, it's kind of like a nice black chrome reflective finishing. Very, very nice. Let's go ahead and power it up for the very first time. So just like previous generation Pixels, right here on the right side, we do. So just like the previous generation Google Pixels, right here on the right side, we do have the on as well as volume button right here. On the left side, empty, just a little card slot for your SIM card. So to power it up, you're just gonna press and hold. Vibrates. Let's give it a few minutes to do its very first startup. So the very initial startup typically takes a few minutes. So here's the welcome screen. Welcome to your Pixel. Select your language. We're gonna keep it in English. Get started. Set up using another device. So that way, if you have any photos or anything you wanna go ahead and import it, you can do that. Pixel or Android. You're gonna scan the QR code. So I'm going to go take a few minutes and transfer everything from my Pixel 6 Pro to the Pixel 8 Pro. So I've done this process before whenever I first bought my Google Pixel 6 Pro, transferring everything over from my Pixel 4. So yeah, just take a few minutes, everything gets connected, you pretty much scan QR code on here using the camera on your existing phone, and it transfers everything over. So very seamless and easy of transferring the files. Alright, so I pretty much went through the whole transfer process. Right now we're just copying my data over from the old phone to the new phone. Once that's done, in your little box there's also this nice booklet, and you do want to transfer your SIM card over, so we'll show you guys how to get that done. It's on the left side right here. So they did provide a little tool to transfer over your SIM card. If you guys are wondering, this booklet was over here in this box earlier. So this first booklet has this little tool right here. So this little metal thing is what you'll be using to pretty much there's a little hole right here, so you push it out and then you go ahead and transfer everything over to the new phone for your SIM card. Okay, and while everything is still transferring over right now, I was also able to find the Pixel 6 Pro box. So this is 2 generations apart, my current Pixel 6 Pro to the Pixel 8 Pro. This is a look at the boxes. You can also see the design. 6 Pro is a little bit sharper around the edges. The 8 Pro is slightly rounded. This finishing here is more like a gloss plastic. This one on the 8 Pro is more premium. It's almost like a matte finish and then some nice black chrome finishing. Let's go ahead and open up both boxes and show you guys a little comparison as well. Okay, so comparing the 8 Pro to the Pixel 6 Pro, in terms of what's in the box, it's pretty much the same thing. Similar instruction manual, just in different colors. You also do have that little SIM card, little pry tool on the back of each one. Same exact accessories in here. This is your USB-C to USB cable, as well as a USB-C to USB-C for charging purposes. Nothing has changed last few years. Actually, I did notice everything I have in here is still pretty much brand new on my Pixel 6 Pro. I've been using the same ones that I had, I want to say, since my Pixel 2. So yeah, everything is still same exact USB-C cable. Alright, so after a couple minutes on my old Pixel 6 Pro, it says copying is done. Continue setup on your new Pixel. On the Pixel 8 Pro, still getting everything set up so I can close copying. So everything's all set on the Pixel 6 Pro. One thing I did notice is, even though in terms of the size dimensions they are pretty much almost exactly the same, Pixel 8 Pro looks slightly bigger. I did notice the screen goes all the way to the very bottom versus the 6 Pro. Part of the screen is not really a usable screen. So, you know, every generation, slight little differences to the updates in terms of design, as well as quality, as well as specifications on the phone. Alright, so I believe the Pixel 8 Pro is all done. Try out some little neat features. Go home, swipe up from the bottom of your screen. Little tutorial. Go back, swipe from the left or right, the middle of the screen. For me, I do know all these stuff, but you know, with every little update, you know, it could change. Also, if you're coming from an iPhone, haven't used Android for a while, this is definitely very user friendly. So it kind of shows you. Yeah, cool little tutorial. Okay, so now let me show you guys how to remove your SIM card. So, like I said, they do provide this little pin, and this is on the left hand side of the phone. There's a little hole. I already did press on it, so you want to stick this pin in, push on it. It's almost like a pushing device, like a little spring, and then once you push on it, it pretty much comes right out. So the white thing is your SIM card itself, and this is that little I guess you can say tray that holds the SIM card. So now that the SIM card's out, we can go ahead and stick this back into the old phone. Alright, so my Google Pixel 8 Pro is all pretty much done setting up. Everything transferred over, including the wallpaper as well as all my apps. So that is pretty neat. Right now, on my end here, I did buy it online from the Google store. They did give this try Google Fi free for 7 days. pretty cool. I also did purchase this online off Amazon, so I would highly recommend purchasing a case, phone case to protect it. Also would recommend purchasing a screen protector. So this one has actually 3 screen protectors. So screen protector for the front of the screen as well as for the cameras on the back. We have 2 extra ones just in case. And if you guys are wondering what phone case I went with the brand Spigen. You can get it off Amazon, whole bunch of different brands. But yeah, pretty excited to use my new phone. Hope you guys like that simple little unboxing video. Like I said, I've made videos, I believe, for pretty much all the Google Pixel phones I got. The Pixel 2, Pixel 4, Pixel 6 Pro, and now the Pixel 8 Pro. 4-time Google Pixel owner and really happy with it. So yeah, hope you guys like it. Again, if you guys are new to the channel, leave a thumbs up, hit the subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll catch you guys in the next video.